Hi, I want to thank you for opening my newsletter, and I wanted to personally make sure that you know about our corporate-wide open house tour this weekend. We're going to have 400 houses open, and it's going to be a great weekend to get out there and house hunt. So I'm going to add a link to that. It'll give you all the information for all the open houses. I'm also going to link a short video from our president, Betsy Cameron, wrapping up Q1 with our brokerage and the real estate market. And I also would like to invite you to reach out if you'd like to talk about buying or selling, if it's now or even down the road. We're in a more balanced market now, and while homes are still selling over asking with multiple offers, not all homes are. The average days on market are now approaching 60 days. And so that means that not all houses are selling right away. And the average sales price is about 97% of asking. So if you walk in a house and you think, I love this, this is the one right away, so does everyone else. Everyone wants that house. If your house is needing some repairs, or it's in a compromised location, or the price is not right, it's not going to sell right away. It's very important to have a strategic plan these days, and I'd love to talk to you about that. If you're just curious about the market, reach out, let's chat. Thanks.